Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today's recipe is Tindi fry. Let's get started with the recipe. Cut tindis in a vertical or horizontal manner as per your wish and fry them on a medium flame on a shallow frying pan. Add 1 tablespoon of oil, slitted green chilies, 2 or 3 in number. Fry them until the tindis become golden brown. Once the tindis are half fried, add half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chili powder and salt as per taste. Saute them well until the tindis are fully fried and are done. Garnish with coriander leaves and serve hot with any curry, rice or chapati. This is an excellent side dish or a breakfast recipe for South Indians. Thank you for watching. Happy cooking. Be safe, be happy.